Today I've got an incredible surprise for you. What if I told you there's a free AI tool that can automatically generate short videos for YouTube and TikTok? And that's not all, this tool can also create long form videos in just a few minutes. Sounds amazing, right? Stay tuned till the end to see how you can use this tool to revolutionize your content creation process. Let's dive in. Introducing Clip Llama AI. This AI-driven platform automates the creation of faceless videos for channels on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. The link to this tool is in the description below, so you can check it out there. This tool provides features like auto video generation, auto scheduling, and auto posting. The best part is that you can try it for free. Just sign up using the link below. Once you sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this here. You'll find 3 modes: AI mode, AI plus manual mode, and manual mode. If you want to create a completely AI generated video, you'll use AI mode. If you want to create a video manually, you can try the other 2 modes. Let's first try AI mode first. You need to briefly describe your video here. For example, I'll write success and inspiration. Then you need to choose a language. You get support for many languages. I'll select English. After this, I'll choose a voice from here. Don't worry. More realistic voices will be added soon. So I'll select this voice for now. Perfect. Then you need to set the duration here. Here you have 2 options, short and medium. If you want to earn money through the TikTok creativity program, you can choose medium. Let's go ahead and select medium. The best feature of this tool is that you can generate videos in portrait, square, and landscape modes. This means you can now create long form videos for YouTube as well. I really like this feature. For now, I'll keep it in portrait mode. Next, there's an option to generate music, and when you turn it on, the AI will generate music according to your video. Since our topic is success and inspiration, the AI will automatically generate music suitable for this theme. Before generating the video, if you want to edit the script, you can switch to the AI plus manual mode. Alright, now hit generate video. The video is being generated, which might take 1 to 2 minutes. You can see that our video has been generated on the right side. There's a timeline where you can see all the parts or scenes of the video. We have a total of 16 scenes. Look at the image quality. It's really fantastic, clear and sharp. The video is over a minute long, which is ideal for the TikTok creativity program. Ever wondered why some people seem to achieve success effortlessly? Well, I'm here to share the secrets. The first secret: clarity of vision. Successful people know exactly what they want. They set specific goals and break them down into actionable steps. But having goals isn't enough. You can see that the video quality is excellent and the background music matches the video perfectly. You can easily edit the script for any part from here. Then by going to the video effects section, you can change the effect of any part and turn the effects on or off. If you want to use the rotation effect, you can apply it from here and select either left or right rotation. Similarly, you can use exit transition. There are many transitions available. You also have the bounce effect available. Alright, if you want, you can go to the music C section to adjust the volume of the background music. If you don't like the music, you can regenerate it as well. Alright, in the text option, you can hide or unhide captions and change the text color. Finally, go to the publish section and export your video from here. The video will be exported in just a few seconds. Now you can download the video from here or post it directly on TikTok. To post on TikTok, you'll need to connect your TikTok account first, which is quite easy, guys. Alright, now I'm back on the homepage. You can see or generated videos by going to the saved video section. Alright, now let's try the AI plus manual mode feature. I'll type a story here again, then follow the same steps, then hit generate video. Now you'll see that the scenes for the video are ready. This is scene 1 and this is the image prompt for scene 1. Before the video is generated, you can make any changes to the story and regenerate the image prompt as well. After doing all this, click on generate video. The scenes on the right side are being generated in just a few seconds. All the scenes will be generated, and guys, you can see that all the images are very sharp, bright and clear. I really like all the images. The total length of the video is almost 2 minutes. The video turned out very well. Now you can download it. Alright, in the manual mode, you have to create the entire video manually. You need to specify each scene, and you can either add image prompts or generate them using AI. After this, the process will be the same. Alright, now let me show you how to create a series. Go to auto shots, then simply type your account name here and your TikTok account will be easily connected. Alright, next click on create new series here. You need to enter the series name. I'll enter success and motivation. Then you need to add a series prompt where you can write something about your series. I'll add a short paragraph here. After this, choose according to your plan. I'll select twice daily. You can change the schedule time to whatever suits you best. Then simply connect your TikTok account. After doing this, hit create. You'll see that our first series has been created here. You can check everything about your series and you can activate or pause the series from here. Alright, if you click on view details, you can see which video is coming up next, and you can even preview the video by clicking on view video. You can customize anything in the video before it gets published. Alright, in the same way, you can create multiple series by going to scheduling. You can check which videos are scheduled for which days. Alright, so that's how you can generate videos, schedule and auto post them. Now let's talk about the pricing in the free plan. You can create 2 videos for free and also schedule videos. The basic plan costs $24 and you can generate 25 videos a month with it, but you can't auto post. The creator plan costs $39 and you can generate 60 videos a month with auto posting. Finally, the pro plan gives you almost everything and you can go for yearly plan. The link is in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. And if you want to know how to make sticky animation videos and go viral on YouTube just by uploading some videos, or if you are already a YouTuber, so watch this playlist to know why 98% of YouTubers fail in their journey. See you there. Okay, bye.